to our channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. So I get asked a lot of questions about my hair, on how I keep it so shiny and healthy, what do I do to it, what products I use. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the haircut that I've been doing, which is the butterfly haircut and the curtain bangs, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys the shampoo and conditioner that I am currently using. And I just want to throw a disclaimer that I am not a professional hairstylist. I'm just sharing with you guys the stuff that I've tried on my hair and what works best for my hair. So if you guys want to try it, by all means, but like I said, I want to throw a disclaimer that I am not a professional hairdresser, so please do not come for me, because I know that I am not a professional, but like I said, I like the results that it gives me. So anyways, let's jump right into the video. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of our videos. Now let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so my hair has been washed. I have it in this towel turban, and I'm gonna show you guys how I cut my hair. My hair right now is looking kind of crazy right now, but it's damped. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna untangle it. I'm gonna be using this brush. You guys have seen this brush before. It's from Dyson. I'll make sure to list a link down below, and no, this video is not sponsored by them. So usually with my hair, I like to untangle it in sections, and I like to start from the bottom up. So now that my hair is untangled, I want to show you guys what my hair looks like as of right now before we go and start cutting it. So I usually know that I need to cut my hair when my ends start to look like this. Very like blah, like there's no shape whatsoever. I'm going to show you the length of my hair as of right now. It's probably hitting around my belly button area. That's where it's at. It's pretty long. I don't think I'm gonna cut that much length off of it. I'm just gonna show you guys the shampoo and the conditioner that I'm currently using, and no, they are not sponsoring this video. I'm using the L'Oreal Dream Lengths shampoo and conditioner. I haven't bought the full-on collection, but I know that they have like a heat protecting spray, and I believe they have some serum. So far, I love the smell and I love how my hair looks after I use this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna divide my hair. I'm gonna be doing the butterfly haircut that has been all over TikTok, has been all over YouTube. I've tried this haircut on myself a few times, and I've done it on Ariana and I believe Genesis as well. So we're gonna do a line in the middle. I don't want to do it behind the ear. So like that. And then I'm going to brush the hair forward, and then I twist it here, and I grab one of these and I just hold it in place until I get the other side. So you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to find, move that back. I'm gonna find the line, which should be right there, and you're gonna go all the way down behind your ear, like that. Okay, whatever it looks like. And then I'm gonna brush the hair like I did before and clip it. Then all of this hair, I'm just gonna tie it really quick right here, so then that way I can focus on the front part. So for this part, you're gonna need one of these hair ties, and I'm gonna be using this brush to brush all my hair forward to the front. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your all my baby hairs. I'm gonna make sure that all the hair is to the front, and that you have no bumps. Look at this. And once you think you're good, right here is where you're gonna tie your hair tie. So we're gonna put it right there. And you want to make sure you hold it very tightly. Like that. Now we're gonna do this piece right here. And you're gonna do the same thing that you did here. You're gonna bring all your hair up to the front and you're gonna tie your hair tie right here on the crown of your head. As you wanna make sure that you take out any knots from your hair. Like you want everything to be perfectly straight, no bumps. And once everything is nice and smooth, now we're gonna take our hair tie. We're gonna tie your hair right here. Again, holding it very firmly. Okay, now with the brush, I'm just gonna make sure that everything is nice and smooth. And if you see me looking this way, it's because I have my mirror over here, so I'm just making sure that everything looks good. Or just for extra combing, I'm gonna take the comb and just go through everything and make sure that we're good. We're gonna start off with this piece first, the one in the back. These are what my ends look like right now. And these are the scissors that I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna grab all of my hair here. I'm gonna cut that much off. I feel like I can't see. So here you go. And I'm gonna make sure that everything looks good. So I'm just gonna brush it one more time. I'm just gonna move that right there real quick. It's always like hard for me to get like that perfectly straight line. All right, everything looks good here. So now I'm gonna point cut. All I'm doing is taking my scissors and just going like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it's just gonna create texture to my hair. Okay, so now we're done here. Now I'm gonna do the front part. Since I'm done, I'm gonna remove the hair tie. Next, I'm doing the front part. I'm gonna cut that much off. And then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna point cut. Now that that's done, take this out, move this back. I look crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna blow dry my hair and I'm gonna curl it so you guys can see how my hair looks cut. But then I'm also gonna be cutting my bangs and I'm gonna be doing curtain bangs. So I'll show you guys how to do that once all of the hair is dry. So I'm gonna section it off. Then for here, I'm just gonna take half of it and I wanna say like to here. Take this much and clip it as well. And then I'm gonna split the back in half. Comb everything out. Before I add any heat, I'm gonna add the Pantene Pro V Heat Primer to protect my hair. So I'm gonna spray my ends, my top. And I'm gonna be using my Dyson Airwrap. I'm gonna be using this top. And this is the settings that I'm gonna be using it in. So for curling my hair, I'm gonna be using this Ikson Air Infinity Pro curling iron. This is what it looks like. And these are the settings that it has. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it goes all the way up to 400. And as I'm curling my hair, I'm gonna be putting in these Velcro rolls so that way it creates volume. But first I have to section off my hair again, like this. I think I'm gonna do half. Okay. Go, split it in half. Now that I have my hair all rolled up, we're gonna cut these bangs. I'm gonna be doing the curtain bangs. So basically you're gonna take your comb and you're gonna draw out a triangle like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna split my hair down the middle like that. You wanna make sure that it's, I guess that's kind of straight. I am gonna take this piece though, and I'm just gonna make sure that it's pinned. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all of this hair and I'm gonna move it over to my right side, meeting my chin area here, like right there. That's where I want it, right? And then with my scissors, just like this, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut. But we wanna make sure that we have the right measurement, which is right here. And you're just gonna cut like that. Right, move it over to the side. Same thing with this piece. So we want it here. So I'm gonna take the hair and I'm gonna cut it right like that. Okay. And then you want to check to make sure that everything is even. Which it looks like it's not because this side is more longer. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this hair again, and that's how much I have to cut, like that. Move it over to the side, and now it looks like we're kind of even right now. When I'm doing this, I am gonna go ahead and I'm gonna point cut as well. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And this is what it should look like. Okay. And now I'm gonna take the curling iron. I'm gonna go upward. Now that I pinned everything, I'm gonna start taking them out because they've cooled down already by now. Alright guys, so this is the final result of the butterfly haircut, and I am obsessed. I love how it came out. It never disappoints, and I feel like I just got a new, refreshed haircut. So this is what it looks like. See? Like I have layers beyond layers. It looks nice and shiny and healthy. See? So you get like that little tail at the bottom. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you want to see more tutorials or videos like this on hair care. And also make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. And until next time, guys, bye.